Assalamu alaikum parents. I am making this video on the request of many parents who are disappointed with my live classes. They didn't know how to use Kahoot, right? So this video is for them. I hope this video will guide you. For using Kahoot, you have to use just two simple steps. The first one, download an app of Kahoot on your smartphone. If you are using laptop, then you have to use the ID, that is kahoot.it. I have provided the link. Alright, after that it will say that enter the pin code, right? Let me show you the screen. This screen would be my screen, which will be coming on YouTube live channel. This is your smartphone. Here you will enter the pin code, right? The pin code is, for example, it's about 6 to 7 digit, which will be coming here. Let's see the pin code. So once I will show you the pin code, you have to enter the pin code on your smartphone or on your laptop, right? So let's enter the pin code. Now here this screen will be coming on your YouTube channel. Alright, you will write here 1011702, right? This is the code. Alright, so once you will enter this code in your mobile, you will press enter. So you will be connected with my screen, right? Let's try it. So enter, I'm repeating again, this screen is your screen, and the key, where the key is written, that is my screen, not your. You will be looking it live on my channel, right? So once you have written the key, just press enter, and then you have to write down your correct name. Why? Because when you will write down your correct name, then here, if you are the winner, I would be showing it on your on my Facebook page or in your group, so that would be look better, that you write your full name, not Sweet or Dawn or any other name, right? So let's enter it. So I am writing my own name, that is Sadaf, and I will press enter. Now you will be having this screen, right? Here it's saying you are in, okay, and here your name will be coming, and I have only one player. Let's start it and let's see what happens. Now the question will be coming on my screen, means this screen, okay? These are the questions, and these all will be displayed here. For example, the topic is punctuation, and the first question is, which sentence correctly uses the Oxford comma? Okay, you have to give answer within 30 seconds. Alright, and these are the card: red, yellow, blue, green. Once you will press any card which you feel that is the right answer, the answer will come here. Okay, so remember parents, you have to play with 4 cards which will come on your smartphone. The question, the answers will be displayed on my screen, that is here. Is it clear to you? Now many parents were saying that my son has logged out, so there is no need to worry. The key is here. The key is here, so you can easily type the same key and you can easily type your same name, and then you can play and join me again. Let's try another question that you could have more clear understanding about Kahoot. Hope you will enjoy my video, will learn a lot. Let's see what happens now in the next question, okay? Which is the correct use of semicolon? Again, I am giving the the wrong answer. I'm selecting any card, okay? So let's select a red one or blue one. All right. So answer is wrong. Hope you have understood this video and you will properly guide your children. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.